Hey guys, in this video I'm going to teach with you how you can create a landing page like this one. So this is a simple image logo, those are menus, and this is search box, content, button, social sharing icons, and also have an image. Very simple project. So I'm going to show you how you can create that. So I have a file with the name of index.html and also style.css. Also I have included the style.css and Google fonts, font awesome icon. Inside the style.css I have a lobster fonts and also Poppins fonts. So we're going to use both of the fonts inside our project. So let's get started to create a navbar. So write the header, and I'm going to use the container because I will manage the content in the center of the page. Then I'm going to use nav and use logo class. Inside that I'm going to add the image, and this is the logo image. Outside of the logo I'm going to add the UL tag, li tag, and anchor link. And this is the home, about, timing, and this will be courses. Right, after the UL tag I'm gonna inside the li tag I'm gonna use form tag, and inside the form tag I'm gonna use input text field, placeholder will be search, and button will be search, type will be button. So first of all we need to fix the navbar, then I'm going to show you another process. So I'm going to close this one. So this is our project. So go to style.css. Inside there you need to use reset the padding, margin, and box sizing, border box. Then we're going to use the header. Width will be 100%, and min height I'm going to use 100 ph. Then I'm going to select the image, nav img display block, object fit will be cover, and I'm going to use width will be 45%. Then I'm going to select the nav, display flags, justify content I'm going to use space between, width will be 100%, padding top and bottom I'm going to use 3 rem, left and right 0 rem. Then I'm going to select the UL tag, remove the bullets, and I'm going to use the background will be hash 6767da, right, and I'm going to use display flags. Align item will be center, width will be 100%, border radius 45 pixels. So let's see, right. So I want to display the complete content in the center of the page, so I need to use the container class. So I already add the container class, so I need to use container. Width will be max width 1440 pixel, and margin I'm going to use the top and bottom 0, left and right auto. Padding also I'm going to use top and bottom 0, left and right I'm going to use 50 pixel, and I think it should be displayed in the center of the page. No, okay, just a minute, I'm going to check that margin. Okay, I'm going to use width 100% on there, so I think it should be no. So just a minute, I'm going to check that container, it's my mistake. So let's see, right, cool. Then we're gonna fix the links tag, links, to manage the links. So UL li anchor link in the li, first I'm going to use the space, so I'm going to use margin top and bottom 0, left and right 2 rem to make a space of each element, like these are elements. And then I'm going to select the ul li anchor link. In the anchor link I'm going to use text location will be none. Also I need to use font family and the Poppins sensitive, so let's see. Right, so color I'm going to use white, and padding top and bottom 0.8 rem, left and right 1 rem, and I'm going to use the border radius will be 5 pixel, so I think it should be displayed perfectly. Cool. Right, so let's assign the hover effect on there, so select that and use hover effect. And the hover effect I'm going to change the background color will be H9F9FE7, and then I'm going to use the transition also on there 0.5 SSA and out, and also I'm going to use border radius 5 pixel of the each length. So let's see. Right, perfect. Then I'm going to use the ul form tag, and the form tag have a width 100%, and then I'm going to use the position relative because I want to add the button inside the input field, so I need to use position relative inside the form. Then I'm going to select the ul input field, and I'm going to use width 75%, padding top and bottom 0.4 rem, left and right 0.5 rem. I'm going to use outline will be none, border will be none, border radius I'm going to use 20 pixel. Then I'm going to select the ul button tag. In the button tag I need to use position absolute, and we need to use display inline block, so you need to use top 0, left I'm going to use, first I'm going to save the let's see. Right, so I think everything is clear on there, so I'm going to use left 15 rem. So let's check it now. Perfect. So I need to use the padding 0.4 rem, 0.8 rem, and I need to use same thing that I used on earlier, like outline none, border will be none. I need to use cursor will be pointer, and border radius I'm going to use 30 pixels. So let's see. Right, but I also have a space, so I will increase the left and right. Okay, cool. As you can see, once we done that, then we will able to display the image and content inside our the header section. So where is navbar? In the navbar, header content star, this will be close, so use content container. In the content container I'm going to add the content class, use h2 and write let's be learning at your home. Right, and then I'm going to use paragraph lorem 30. Then outside of the paragraph I'm going to create a div, use btn, and I'm going to add the buttons. Button apply now, this will be read more. Right, so let's see. Right, so we're gonna split that using display grid. So this is the content, and outside of the content we're gonna add the image. So use content image. Inside there I'm gonna use the div shape image. You can write any name as you want. Image, image. So let's see, right? So those are content and this is the image. We need to fix that using CSS. So I'm going to use the content start. This will be close. So first of all, you need to use content container and split the columns using display grid, and use grid template column repeat to 1fr. And I want to display the content in the center, so I need to use justify content center, and also we need to use align item will be center. Then I need to use the height. So just a minute. Content container. Okay, to repeat align item center. Perfect. We're gonna fix that using, and we need to use the height 70 VH, and then I'm gonna select the content. First I'm gonna manage the first we're gonna manage my image, then you will able to understand everything. So content container shape image img. So I need to use display block, and I will display this one in the right side, so I need to use margin left auto, and I'm going to use the width of the image will be 80%, and I need to use object fit will be cover, and I'm going to use border radius will be 10%. So let's see, right, everything is clear. So we're going to fix this one issue. So let's see. So I'm going to select that and use H2. Use font family will be lobster sans serif, and font size I'm going to use 6 random. Color will be hash like this one, right? But I want to remove these some color and space, so I'm going to use pseudo selectors. So let me show you. I select same thing, but I use nth child, and this is a 1. In the 1 I will leave the 1, and I'm going to select the second. No, I will use nth child 1, and the nth child 1 I'm going to use the font family, get that and paste on there. Just a minute, I'm going to check that and also use that. I don't need to use that on there because I just changed the font size will be 4.5 rem, and color will be black. In this second first child, and leave the second one is default, and third one I will change the same thing, right? So the 3.5, and this will be third will be 4.5. So let's see, right? So I think everything's clear on there. So let's work on the paragraph tags. Select that and use that, and font size I'm going to use 1.2 rem. I need to use line height to make a space 1.8, padding top and bottom 2 rem, left and right 0, and text align I'm going to use justify. Then we need to select the button tag, right? We need to select the button tags, but I think yes. So I'm going to select the container, have a button tags. So in the button tag I'm going to use background will be like this one, color will be white, padding top and bottom 0.6 rem and left and right 1 rem, border radius I'm going to use will be 30 pixel. And also we need to use display inline block because I want to display the same content or same buttons in the same row. Width of the complete section will be 30%, margin right will be 2 rem, and border will be none, border will be none, cursor will be pointer, and font size I'm going to use 1.1 rem, and I think everything is perfect on there, so let's perfect. But I want to change the second one style, so I need to select that again, and then I'm going to use nth child, colon nth child, and I'm going to select the second one child, and I'll leave all of these styles. I need to use background will be inherit, means default, which is appeared inside my background color of the website, and border 2 pixels solid and the same color, and color will be white, not by dark. So let's see, right? And finally I think everything is clear. Finally I will use the hover effect on there, so I need to select that and use the hover effect. In the hover effect I just need to change the background color will be 9F E7. This is light color and color will be white. Also we need to use transition, all 0.5 SA in out. So let's see, right? Last thing we need to add the icons. So where is my container? Here is my container. So inside there I need to use social icons div. Inside there you need to add the icons, so I'm going to use the icons span I tag class FA brands, FA Facebook, FA just a minute, FA Facebook, get that and use Twitter, get that use YouTube, and get that and use Pinterest, and you can use any icon as you want. So here's the icon, so we need to fix that, so I'm going to select that social icon class and social icon, right? So use display flags, align it will be center, justify corner will be center, and I need to use width 32% of the complete div. So let's see, right? And then I'm going to use the social icons span tag, so I'm going to use background will be dark color 212 F3D, and border radius I'm going to use will be radius 50%, and I need to use width will be 50 pixel, height will be 50 pixel, because I want to display the icons inside the box like this one. So we need to use same thing, I need to use same width and height, but I need to also use another things. So first of all you need to use display flags, align it will be center, justify content will be center. So let's see, right? Everything in the center of the box. And also we need to use the Justify content, I'm going to use space between. So let's see. Right, cool. And I think we need to use color will be white. Font size, I'm going to use 2rem, and cursor will be pointer. So let's see. Right. Okay guys, so I think everything's perfect on there. So let's add the hover effect on there. In the hover effect, I'm gonna add that will be what? Background will be #566573, and border radius I need to use 50%. So let's see. Right. Also I need to use transition on there. Transition all 0.3 SN. So let's see. Right. So I hope you understood as well how you can create this one landing page using HTML CSS. So hope you understood as well. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day guys.